Welcome to Dap for Do. Hope you are all doing good. I would urge you to be cautious and be safe. In today's video, I'll show you how to make this beautiful lotus stand for this coming festive season, which you can utilize in multiple ways. So this is the matte golden paper which I have received in sweet box. This you can find it in any of the tea packs. This is a cake stand, or you can use any cardboard. These are the bottles which you can use as the stand or bottle caps you can use, or the rolls which are left over from any wrappers also, that also you can use to make the stand. And now for the petals, I've cut stencils and I've made these petals. So I have two different shapes, one is thinner and one is broader. So the back portion is plain, so I am coloring the small petals with pink color, or you can utilize these kind of foil papers also for the background. If you want completely in gold like this, you can paste any PVA glue and stick it on a foil sheet. Nicely press them, let it dry, and cut the excess whatever is there in the shape as shown in the video. Or you can do any acrylic coloring also, or you can use one part glue, one part water, and if you have a golden glitter, you can use that also. For the bottles, I have covered it with the golden wrapper and with the help of clear tape. Now take the petals and bend them towards the back side so that we will have nice elevation of the stand. So after that, I have arranged so that the spacing would be correct. If you want, you can use a marker and mark them. So I am pasting these petals on the edge as if they are standing. So you can use flat if you want to use it as an wall decor also. So the method I am following here is I am placing opposite, so that placing of the petals would be even on all the sides. So this is how I have completed the whole thing. Now I am covering the edges of these petals to have a nice finish with golden lace. This is completely optional. You can use any color also as per your choice. So cut the excess, and this way also you can place it on wall with the help of hoop. Now for the stand, I am placing all the bottles in equal distance and I am applying glue. Then I will press this stand onto the bottles so that our stand will get nice height, and apply glue wherever needed. In the same process, instead of the cake base or any cardboard, you can use a smaller version and make the use of CDs to complete the same lotus. You can use smaller petals also. So I've made two out of these, and for the bottom I am using the bottle caps here instead of bottles. So this is how beautifully our lotus stand has turned out to be. So this will be very useful for these coming festive season. You can place Ganesha onto it, or you can place diyas as I did. You can make 3 and utilize like this, or you can use flat one as fruit stand for offering to Ganpati, or you can place Varalakshmi Ammavaru also as the Varalakshmi Vratam is coming, or simply you can place a diya and decorate your home. Give a nice grand look for this festive season, for Diwalis also. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Namaste.